Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today we're going to be talking about the OKB crypto coin. Pretty much has to do with the exchange. So, there's actually lots of potential. Now, I already have some key zones drawn up for you guys to see where we're at and where we can currently go. So, two very big areas is pretty much one down here, massive weekly support. But I will say I don't think we're going to be going down there because if we did, we would have a drop of 50%, which would mean Bitcoin and everything is crashing. However, something very positive is right now we're chilling on this weekly support and we have this imbalance here. So, what does that mean? Well, we are at a very good and healthy area to overall be buying. And the reason why I'm a fan of this imbalance is because we're probably going to wick into there, which means there's a decent chance we'll spike somewhere between this range here for the last like premium price pretty much. Now I'm going to use my feature tool here to see maybe I can see a certain type of pattern or candlesticks, and I'm not seeing anything right now. It's probably going to be extremely small. Let's just do this. Let's go 45 minute, 30, 15, 10, 5. Okay, I see some stuff here. Okay, on the actual candlesticks, there's one. Maybe we're supposed to take that. Nope. Nope. Let's see. 3 minutes. So you can see actually price dumped 33%. That's crazy within 2 minutes. So if you had any short leverages or longs, you got wrecked, shorts just made so much money. Because the coin dropping 33% 2 minutes is crazy. But if you held for another 4 more minutes, it recovered a lot. So you would have pretty much lost out on a lot of your potential money. So right here, interesting. There we go. That's what I was looking for. This detail right here. So there's actually a decent chance if we zoom out of this and go back to maybe the daily, right? There's a decent chance that we're gonna be going down all the way to pretty much this area because there's a specific candlestick I was looking for. And if it does, it's gonna be a spike. So a spike of 17%. Now we could go a little bit higher, maybe 12%. So overall though, I would be buying here, but I would also have some buy orders here, and here as my extra. So, maybe I'd buy 65% here, and then the rest I would pretty much distribute in 3 different ways. And just in case, so I could get like a better dollar cost average of maybe here or here, right? Anyways, so let's see where this can go with the Fibonacci tool, and we're gonna check in terms of market cap. So I'm actually gonna take it from here to pretty much the relative lows. There you go. Boom, boom. And the reason why I chose this spot down here is because there's actually a lot of, you know, resistance. So I'm going to say this is the most valid area to put it and see where it can go. So first off, we just look $113, 156, and even up to 220. So let's go on Coin Market Cap and let's see where this would be in terms of market cap. So 2.5 billion right now, if we were to 10x, would be at 25 billion, $410, which is way higher than the Fibonacci tool. So for me, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm being completely honest, I think this coin will completely smash all three of these areas, as I do think this coin can definitely try to be, it's not going to be the next Binance, but it's definitely could compete with it. So, and as you know, there's a BNB coin. So what I would say is, you know, here I wouldn't really take profit. Here, maybe I'll take a little bit, maybe here more. But I do think in terms of market cap, for around $400 to 450 is going to be between 24 and let's say 30 billion, right? Roughly around this box. And that is where I'd be looking to pretty much sell all my positions. I truly believe that that's going to be around its peak, right? They do burn tokens every now and then, so that also helps. And if they are going to try to be one of the biggest exchanges, they're going to be doing lots and lots of updates and things to pretty much help boost this coin. Now, like I said, coins peaking at 20, 25, $30 billion market cap, like, yeah, that's a lot. But you got to understand that's not the same as last cycle. Like last cycle, that was like, okay, that's pretty good. This cycle, 20 billion, 30 billion for a coin is going to be kind of like the average or a bit on the underwhelming side. So I easily can see this hitting around $500. Um, if they made big, extremely big changes, now this is relying on something extremely, you know, like small, like unrealistic, then this can definitely even hit like $1,000. It's not about the price tag, it's about the market cap, which would be around 50 billion. But things would really have to take off. I mean, if crypto does genuinely really take off, this cycling gets more normalized, then this will definitely hit $1,000. Definitely, because there's gonna be so much more money, so many more users. Like I said, 20, $30 billion market cap is gonna be like the normal for coins, or it's gonna be on the underwhelming side. And it all just depends on pretty much the future. Now, I don't can't predict the future in terms of the more conservative side. I'll definitely be looking maybe the $300-$400 area. Like at the realistic side is like, yeah, 400. But if things go really well, which I'll keep you guys updated, then we could be seeing $1,000 OKB coin.